Namaste. My name is Louis Zimmerer. I'm an international meditation master. Today I want to speak how to make our work fun. We look on all the tasks what we should do and what we are doing every day. And then we make two lists what we like and what we dislike on our job. And we consider also that we are making money with our work and that we can afford something. Then we choose two tasks of our work what we really dislike. And then we check why we dislike this task, these jobs. Maybe we are wrong. We're going to friends and speaking about why we can't enjoy this task. And maybe they can give us a tip that maybe our attitude is wrong. And then we change piece by piece our attitude. It's just so simple. And doing the work and looking that we're doing this task very good. That we're getting some satisfaction out of our work. And after some time we like this task and then we go to the next task what we don't like. And this will work out. Then there's the next thing. One of my previous chefs said, what you can't do or what you dislike, you should do. Because then you can learn something and you can improve yourself. So I dislike to phone, so I got his phone extension when he was not there, and we had a second chef, he made the same thing. In the beginning it was hard, but then I have learned also to decide for the chiefs. And so I have learned a lot. What is if we have a boring job? Then we make out of this boring job a meditation. We make everything with awareness, we look where our breath is, and I make it just so that I repeat the name of God and so on. What is with stressful jobs? We look that we calm down, that we are calm, that maybe we look that we focus on our dantian, on our navel center to keep us calm and so on. What is if we have awful colleagues or co-workers? There is a bad guy in every firm. My experience is it so. The best is a chief. If he's a bad guy, all the other workers are great. Okay. For this, we try different strategies. We buy a book, How to Deal with Difficult People, and look what persona is fitting for which strategies, and we try out the strategies. And we learn so much from it. So much from it. And after some time we can deal also with awful people better and better. I've done it so, many other people have done it so. Okay. So What more? Make out of your life fun. Enjoy your life. And this is crucial for our working time, because it's the most important time. And make the best out of your task, out of your work. That will improve you, the quality of your work, and then the thing is more fun. Instead to do nothing, to postpone the jobs, that is awful. Okay, thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.